I didn't think, never in a million years did I start this project thinking like I wouldn't make the deadline. I knew it'd be hard, but now to see that as a true option that I might not make this deadline it sucks so much. You put so much work into this car, and just for something, so small to fail. Wow. Holy. Oh my God. Even the stitching, my God, it's beautiful.
If they look amazing here, they'll be 100 times more amazing in the vehicle.
So since the vehicle's been back from the body shop, we've had a fun time. It's genuinely been blood, sweat, and now tears. I've spent the last 2 weeks working with Ray in the back, trying to get this car assembled before we leave. We've had so many curveballs, but my team was so good at responding and finding alternatives and workarounds. They've really shown up and made this build possible. I've always enjoyed working with Ray. I've worked with Ray for 11 years, and getting my hands on a car is nothing new. I've worked on our previous classics, and me and Ray work really well together. We have the right mindsets, similar goals, and what we want out of the car. So when we combine, I feel like it's a strong working duo for sure. So reassembling has been just overall an completely daunting task. There's nothing individually that has been more daunting than the next. We found surprises, but the whole project is daunting. The interior was so daunting. Carpets, daunting. Mechanical, daunting. Electrical, daunting. Everything. So it's been a project.
We do have a limited amount of time, and we have spent a fair bit of time working on the car, and it has been a great opportunity. It has been humbling though, because we've had our days where we have had great success and accomplished many items off of our checklist, and we've had some days where we've had some setbacks where we haven't been able to get near the amount of tasks that we would have liked to have had done that day.
I'm thankful that I have Ray, who is willing to put in the extra hours every day just to work on this car in his free time, and without that, projects would have been impossible.
I would say having experience and understanding how Porsche presents their literature to you as far as their workshop manuals, understanding their parts catalog, and then having access to their classic training as well, that's been a huge asset. It is really tough to learn all of it and know it all, but it is really difficult when you're doing something that is new and you haven't had a chance to take something apart like that before. A decent amount of experience and access to this literature has been a great help.
Well. What do we have here?
No, the one on the left there?
Yeah,
No.
in the airbox. Open it up. Hold it open.
Yeah. It still doesn't work very well.
I didn't think, never in a million years did I start this project thinking like I wouldn't make the deadline. I knew it'd be hard, but now to see that as a true option that I might not make this deadline it sucks so much. You put so much work into this car, and just for something, so small to fail. Right now, we're days away from transport. Fortunately, we had a malfunction with the ignition module. While these are known to fail, we had previously tested it, and it was testing fine. Over our final photo shoot with the car, it died. So we've been looking at the car all weekend, and then today we've confirmed the module itself has failed, which is not available. The biggest thing is we're car lovers, right? Petrol heads. grease monkeys, whatever you want to call it, you know, it's for the love of cars. This was a passion project, right? We don't do this to make money. We don't do this for publicity. We do this for passion. That's what made it fun. Does it suck? Yeah. Does it hurt? Yeah. But I guess we know for the next one.